No, because adding NAPO to Baumia, but look, Baumia can win 10 votes. NAPO will say something, 7 will clear. You guys saw it. Don't put it on me. You guys saw what NAPO was doing.
But I'll let my lawyers write to me so we share the proceeds, the revenue.
Obi Amponsah. Papa. Superstar. Number call there, super. Yao. Obi. Ya. Obi nasa apiki o. Anamebwa. Apiki. Chese o comedy about Napoleon. Obi. Me jeno. I mean tiase. But me read some diplomatic condition about comedy now, yeah, you know. Obi abonkwai. Obi abonkwai. Currently, Yerimia Ekoso ewo MPP camp. Anuntino, me show comedy ya. Eni mitibua eniniye. Obi sechira na. Ana ye comedy. No la, me fa me kokoten kotena se. E comedy kwa na. Ana obon kwai. Obi got a crew because boys any abril. Said the comedy no aye politically powerful no. Obi aye madwunu mu na. Comedy ne ede eya. Asem o ma no pan so me kai ma. Asem o ma no pan so me ntimi nka. O download the lem file. Na u use Bonah BONAH as promo code and I say referral code. O first transaction o Europa o send 50 euros obema 20 euros cashback. And I don't know more UK then so no o send 50 pounds amount 10 pounds cashback. Don't know more America and so Canada no o send $100 amount $20 cashback.
They knew they were going to lose, so they gave us some comedy. No, because adding NAPO to Baumia, but look, Baumia can win 10 votes. NAPO will say something, 7 will clear. You guys saw it. Don't put it on me. You guys saw what NAPO was doing. Look, I didn't know much about NAPO. I'm going to be honest with you guys. I did not know much about NAPO until they put him in that vice presidential, because I knew him to be the minister for energy. I also knew him to be minister for education. I mean, he sacked Teacher Kojo, but that's not the point. What? You guys know what he did to Teacher Kojo, right? Yeah. So I knew him for that. And now he was a vice presidential candidate for MPP. For MPP. And because people knew NAPO's behavior, they told Otunfo to talk to NAPO. Remember, I've never seen a candidate that they will elect you or appoint you, but the chief will have to call you and advise you. Otunfo called NAPO and said, Mate wonka. And go for kekase umwade. Ba mia na matete wo ko na ko hye manimonyam. Ma ba umia ninje se we you. NAPO tells him, yo mate. You know that advice when somebody gives you have planned something in your head already. So like, yo, okay, you kasa so the one you tune for it, you pay you know. Next day rally. NAPO come and Kwame Nkrumah no. NAPO went to insult Kwame Nkrumah. Our Kwame Nkrumah. Hey, white people in the house, do you know Kwame Nkrumah? Even white people know Kwame Nkrumah. NAPO went to attack Kwame Nkrumah. Ghanaians were like, our Nkrumah. Ghanaians were angry. But NAPO didn't give up. NAPO was like, oh, you haven't seen nothing yet? NAPO went to attack Atamils. He was referencing past presidents. And he was like, oh, J.J. Rollins. And Bakuna were with your friends. Huh? NAPO Atamils. I can't believe it. But you've mentioned J.J. Rollins. He's also dead. But we'll show J.J. So he just went for Atamils. It did not end there. NAPO finally decided to attack God. You remember? Because Mama was campaigning with 24-hour economy. NAPO was like, oh, bien, you are. Oh, 24 hours. Oh, you go pancreas. I was just imagining the confusion in heaven. Like boss say, NG Gabriel, what's the boy in come? What was the matter? Tell me the truth. Me Adam can't be an NG Gabriel. Hey, Michael, hey, that I'm die. Me tongue go po. Hey. Yo, you thought NAPO will finish? No. NAPO said, I'm about to kill it. Y'all ain't seen shit yet. NAPO went for a campaign, held a politician's hand, MPP parliamentary candidate, held his hand, raised his hand, Mama, yeah. I said, John, Mama, yeah. Lomotonier. Even the MP was like, Mende. And Mahama and Mamma is also. I said, hey, you're frozen. Me, I don't have a problem with. I don't have a problem with him mentioning your mama. They mention mama always. But the MPP candidate, his name was not Lomote. His name was Lamptey. I'm sure anytime NAPO talks, Baumia is there like la. Lafia la bismillah. I don't know query. La. Hey, NAPO did it. No, but for me, I feel like NAPO helped us, release stress. And shout out to NAPO. Let's give it up for him.
Therefore, Obi Amponsah stand-up comedy about NAPO no. S3, but yeah. Obi comedy ne de de na yeah. Obi comedy no you are na because comedy ne de Obi. Ayo majurubu na. Because now you read the diplomatic condition of MPP camp now. Pressure hopper. Come here and say things are working things. I'm unfolding them suma say yenyoma. And almost percent now no MPP saba together as a party. But almost together as a party no. Wow nim to me a power games. I don't know sabi also mu ya candy phone in yoma. Anna, a Drews bibi sa whether we like it or not. And penny for sabi omu petumi no omu timi fa say yenyoma. Ana me boa. And to the extent say Obi yow. me say asamo ma no pa ba mintimi nka. Obi wa bon kwan. So o te de na poka cho de. O so de na bon kwan ti no mu be hia okoto na enkwan na wa bon wa peka krama no.
You talk about your name being out there. Does that mean?
I didn't say that. I'm pleased. I said that if somebody who's a comedian is using my name and is filling calls, I'm very, very happy. I thank him because he's putting my name in there out for free. Right. But I'll let my lawyers write to him so we share the proceeds, the revenue, because I want to employ.
So Mr. D reply and oppose to the man. Sabi yaba pa NAPO a senior boy ono nim de ekoso bia. Ba obi omumba hwehwemu comedy enya de omama ho ato. NAPO team ni hwehwem because omumpa be source ni free. Because comedy no na are you too organized. Comedy na no Obi, but on a more serious note, say comedy we know, say any politically motivated a top notch, na nothing. Na comedy no comedy near deep. Comedy near deep, but comedy no a too politic, but comedy no a too political motivated comedy. Sana mi huno. I might be wrong though, but sana mi hu comedy because said the comedy ni see sharp no. Because said the comedy no is very sharp. Wahu esa punching NAPO no. to me na come here as a penny be na pen asema kan no hu ba bia amfa no se chale ma me fa nko di agro because you can agro na home agire maso bete be ye adwuma no. And besides, say na comedy we no politically motivated aye adwuma brutal. Obi comedy we on aye adwuma comedy we on aye adwuma too much. And one powerful thing about stand-up comedy is say omutimi use sa platform no e push some information bi as agro no mu di but when him rounds no na there any impact in the society no e beyond understanding e bi na esi no but yo me de men kasa sebi obi comedy no sebi political party bi na question na chi da bi enye sa agro na yedi ono obeye ade no comedy yenso ye transia content na yenso ye produce ni nyina comedy na bia nya de obi e fa no yonko de serious me mpe kokoti sembia se obehwe video we awie no abeha ma agene da bi obi no oye ade no ono fa ne say comedy or the creative jokes ama man for asre sanso yenso ye transia ye platform na entertainment platform ye entertaining ma man for asre yes packet conversation ma man for kasa ana ye amplify sabi dodo na omuni platform a omo won sem bi cancel ya ewiase nyina bete ye nyoma miensa na TheBonahShow ye we entertain, we spark conversation, and we amplify voiceless asa ye wo ha no ye nye political platform there be ye nkasa ma any political party there be but obi Amponsah comedy no ede but yeah therefore say o abrochire na udisika ko Ghana very simple download the Lemfi egu mobile phone so mobile money phone nyina o pede ne exchange rate was sra Lemfi ani December ko kure wom ne say o download the Lemfi na u use Bonah BONAH as promo code and I say referral code o first transaction o Europe o send 50 euros obema 20 euros cashback and dodo na mo UK den so no o send 50 pounds amount 10 pounds cashback dodo no mo America and so ne Canada no o send $100 amount $20 cashback. Na say o America mem na open door to door shipping service papa me defo edino e ba kope Box Oak Logistics omo beba ofie abe box onyoma ne kama e de akọ Ghana asumdwie mu amam omo bo ne so kra de e wo fom kra ana ni December akokra ka ho ne say katro mu say enam TheBonahShow so na ati omo nka ombesa cha 10% discount bie mu so say o abrochire na ukọ Ghana kodi udwuma bia na udru Ghana medofo beko Kumase na udru Kumase ebi abedi dako na anu nansa na medofo obepa ba bia da amwasomadwo serene environment with 100% security CCTV cameras etwa onwahia medofo edino eba kope Pcash Properties upemu nchemu bebre akọ www.pcashproperties.com and I say wait my free Pcash Properties for no line he says ya na ni gisi my account say o free Pcash catch room say and I'm TheBonahShow so and I'll tell you omunka omo so imprint na ombecho 10% discount.